Question 23. If a hash b equals a squared, open bracket, 7 subtract b, close brackets, what is the value of, open brackets, 2 hash 5, close brackets, hash 3? We don't know what that operation is, like the hash, but we know that what it's doing is converting. It's like a function. It's taking the two numbers that are in the A place and the B place and putting them in this value here. What's happening here with the bracket is we have to do the 2 hash 5 first to put a different number into this bracket that then we do with the 3. So I'm going to do it in 2 steps. So let me write down what we've got. Okay, so that's the equation. We've got to find out 2 hash 5 hash 3. Right, so I'm going to start with 2 hash 5. Everywhere I've got an A, I substitute it with a 2. There's only one of them, so I just put a 2 in here, it's 2 squared. 7 subtract B, which is 5. Therefore, this becomes 4 multiplied by 7 subtract 5, which is 2. Therefore, the answer is 8. So now we know what 2 hash 5 is. We can replace that up here. So 2 hash 5, all brackets, hash 3 equals, so we replace the 2 hash 5 with an 8 hash 3. This is now the equation that we need to do, and we use, this is the function that we're going to do, and we're going to use this up here for substitution. So a squared, a is 8, so we put 8 squared in. We've then got 7 subtract b, which is 3. So therefore we're looking at 64 multiplied by 4. $256. And that is the answer to 23.